Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming capability and gathering adapters. First, check that your phone supports OTG or Bluetooth HID. This tells you whether to use wired or wireless. Once done, connect a USB-C or Lightning to USB adapter if you plan a wired setup, or pair a Bluetooth peripheral by enabling Bluetooth in settings. Make sure the phone has more than 20% battery and close heavy apps so pairing is fast and reliable. This prevents drops during initial configuration. Now connect and configure the inputs. For wired setups, plug the adapter into the phone and attach the mouse or keyboard. Android and iOS will usually recognize them instantly. Watch for cursor or typing response. For Bluetooth, open Settings, right arrow Bluetooth, scan, select the device, and enter a PIN if prompted. Pairing completes in seconds. After connection, go to Input Settings to enable pointer visibility, and set keyboard layout and pointer speed so typing and navigation. Finish by testing every control and preparing a quick fix. Open a text app and type, click, scroll, and use modifier keys to confirm full functionality. If anything fails, immediately disconnect and reconnect the device. Toggle OTG or Bluetooth and reboot the phone if needed. Make sure adapters are certified and the peripherals have power. One key troubleshooting tip: if the mouse or keyboard is intermittent, check adapter compatibility and power levels first, because most failures trace back to these simple causes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.